Here is problem number 8 from assignment 5. Kite 100 feet above the ground. Okay, so let's draw this kite. So that's 100 feet. It's moving horizontally, so it's moving this way at 8 feet per second. Well, let's call this distance x, and let's say, okay, well, that's dx dt, and it's equal to it's equal to 8. And okay, string is being let out, so let's just say that it's going this way, so it's a positive 8 feet per second. Alright, so this is the distance x that I start, and that distance is getting longer. At what rate is the angle between the string and the horizontal, so that's this angle right here, call it theta, at what rate is the angle between the string and the horizontal decreasing when 200 feet of string have been let out? So string is this distance here, so that would have to be a we'll call that z. So the question then becomes, what is d theta dt when z is equal to 200? Alright, so what do I need? I need a formula that ties together x and theta. Well, here's 100, that looks like a relationship that looks like a tangent relationship. So let's call that tangent, not tam. Tangent of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Alright? And of course, if I take the derivative of both sides of that equation with respect to t, I'm going to get secant squared theta d theta dt is equal to 100 negative 100 x. Try that again. Negative 100 over x squared dx dt. Now what do I know? Well, I know dx dt. dx dt is 8. Do I know x? Well, I know 100. I know that this is 2. At that instance, it's 200. And then I know 100 squared plus x squared is equal to 200 squared, or 10,000 plus x squared is equal to 40,000, or that x squared is equal to 30,000, or that x is equal to the square root of 30,000, which I believe is going to be 100 root 3. Okay, so 100 root 3. Do I know secant? Well, what's secant? Secant is the hypotenuse over the adjacent. So hypotenuse over the adjacent, and squared that, and I'm looking for d theta dt. So it looks like I've got an equation where the only thing unknown is there. So d theta dt is equal to, let's see what we got here. This is going to square, so I'm going to get 3 times 10,000 over 40,000 times negative 8 over root 3. So all those cancel. This 4 cancels with that. Gives me a 2. So it looks to me like I'm going to get with negative 6 over root 3, and that would be in radians per seconds.